So a Mexican magician standing in front of the audience, he says, "I will disappear on the count of 3. So he goes, 1, 2, and poof, he disappeared without a trace. There we go. All ready to go, boy. Just throwing some air in this one tire, because if it sits for long, it's got a bead leak and it's not worth fixing until I have a new tire to put on it. Because that tire is dirt. See, like there's no tread left on that. There's no point in fixing that. Yeah, there, it's good for a couple days. So I just check it every morning. Good enough. So let that air up, and then I gotta get my jack stand out from under there. So fire it up, and of course this John Deere is gonna wanna turn on its own. So hopefully I don't wreck that thing. Stupid tractor anyway. Fire it up, lift the blade, pull the jack stand out, and then I'll open the door. The boss man will take his shit truck out. I'll drive his half ton in, jump in the tractor, and peace out, close the door, and give her shit. Talk to you in a few. You know, that snow is rock hard. Just about stalled the tractor trying to push it. Just about stalled out, and then she started to spin. Sheesh. Yeah, weather gets nice. And the tires start rolling back in. For 30.5 32s to mount. Cool. Well, I guess get them in the shop so they can warm up. Look at that, eh? 4 big old rubbers in the shop. And the rims, oh boy. Okay, well, I'm going to start putting valve stems in, and I might attempt one of these by myself. We'll see. They're kind of, I dropped one here, and I cheated. I lifted it up and leaned it partway against this one, but from about that high to get it stood back up was all I had. So I might be able to flop it down on the rim. Hopefully that works, because there's no holes in these rims anywhere to hook a chain on to lift up. Unless I don't know. I might have to lay a chain under the rim before I put tire on. Then if I have to lift it with a skid steer, I can. Okay, well, I'm gonna have fun with this. There was my afternoon workout. 4 18-ply 30.5 32s on brand new rims. And that's it for today. Co-pilot Red here, checking wells with me. Just another great day. Left my water bottle in the truck overnight. It didn't even freeze. So that's pretty cool. Hey, buddy? Oh, well, I guess. Round and round we go. Well, spring's come early. Snow's melting. Things are drying out. Look at this. It's dry dirt. Craziness. Well, I can't go into details, but it's now 7 p.m. and that's back burning. It was down for 8 hours, just about 7 hours. I had to shut every single well in and do a bunch of work because we had a valve freeze and break and split open and just make a mess. And yeah, it's about all I can tell you, really. I'm supposed to be done around 10 o'clock in the morning. It's now 7 o'clock at night, and I'm gonna have to come back out here in an hour or so and check on this, make sure things are going the right direction, because that should settle down, stop flaring gas off, and we should sell. Like it should quit flaring. It's pretty calm now. It was a huge flare before, so things are settling down. Once you shut off every single well for that long, you get a big buildup of gas. Well, I'm gonna go have some supper. You ready? Well, another Sunday, another batch of bales.